Is it? The previous class we have seen architecture, the main three buildings. Okay, what are the things? The great granary, the great bath, and the assembly hall we have seen. Is it? Today also we are going to continue the same lesson. Okay, the Indus Valley civilization. Today we are going to see about the social structure and occupation of the people of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, the social structure. How was the society divided? Okay. When we see the social structure, we can find the Indus society or Indus Valley society consisted of different social groups like rulers, merchants, traders, artisans, and the manual laborers. What are the different social groups found in the Indus Valley civilization? Rulers, merchants, traders, artisans, and manual laborers. Okay, always the rulers will be the top position in the society. Merchants and traders and the professionals will be the second position in the society. Okay, and the artisans also comes under the second class in the society, and other people in the third level in the society. Okay. And the next thing we are going to see is food. What is the food and what was the staple food of the people? Okay. Wheat was the staple food of the people. People also ate fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains, okay, and pulses. Apart from that, milk, egg and meat also were taken by the people of the Indus Valley civilization. And the next thing today we are going to see is dress and the ornaments. Okay, the dress worn by the people of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, both men and women in the society wore both cotton and woolen cloth. Okay, what type of dress worn by the Indus people? Cotton and woolen cloth. And both men and women wore two pieces of cloth. Okay, when men wore dhoti, the women wore skirts, and the men cover their upper body with a shawl. And when we see the ornaments, the Indus Valley civilization, same like Mesopotamian and Egyptian civilization, both men and women wore ornaments. Okay, the different ornaments worn by the people of Indus Valley civilization were armlet, amulet, and earrings, bracelets, okay, and also necklace were worn by the Indus Valley people. The women wore head earrings, headdress also worn by the women in the Indus Valley civilization. And the cosmetics, how they made their decorative items or cosmetics items, different cosmetic items were used by the people of Indus Valley civilization. Both men and women, they used their hair to be arranged, or they used comb to arrange their hair. When the women, they tied their hair tightly and used different kinds of hair clips. Okay, and different materials were excavated, which shows they have used different cosmetic items. And when we see the recreation and amusement. The Indus Valley people, they played both indoor and outdoor games. They gave importance for singing, dancing and other activities. And different games played or they spend their time in was like the game at present we used to play like chess, no? The same kind of games were played by the people of Indus Valley civilization. They used board games mainly. They used dice for playing the board games. And apart from that, they also used animals for hunting. Okay, so the recreation activities were mainly based on the men in the society. And when we see the occupation, different occupations were made by the people of Indus Valley civilization. The main occupation of Indus Valley civilization was agriculture. Okay, what was the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley civilization? It is agriculture. They cultivated different crops like different fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains and different other crop. Okay, they have cultivated. And when we see, cotton was the first crop cultivated or introduced by the people of Indus Valley civilization. And for agricultural crops, they have used the irrigation system. Okay, the water from the river Indus was carried out for irrigating the field in the Indus Valley civilization. And they yield the surplus food grains. The surplus food grains were exported to the foreign countries. So the inland trade and foreign trade were flourishing during the period of Indus Valley civilization. And when we see domestication of animals, in domestication of animals, they have domesticated goats, sheep, cows, elephants, these were the different animals domesticated by the people of Indus Valley civilization. They also domesticated cats and dogs. They also domesticated cats and dogs. These cats and dogs were taken as pet animals. Okay, these two were taken as or kept as pet animals during Indus Valley civilization. And when we see this art and artisans were the another set of people who found in the Indus Valley society. Okay, since they have known the art of making metals. Okay, we know that bronze was the first metal introduced by the people of river valley civilizations. Okay, here also the metal work was given important. They have made bronze using copper and tin. Okay, they mixed copper and tin and made they prepared the metal called bronze. And this metal work, this metallurgy was very popular during the period of Indus Valley civilization. They used different metal statues, okay, like dancing girl. Okay, these kind of statues were made by the people of Indus Valley civilization, made by the artisans. Like the shapes of different gods and goddesses were also made by the artisans. Different seals were made with a metal called bronze. And when we see here in the Indus Valley civilization, Indus Valley people were the first people who use the wheeled carts. Okay, so different toys were found in the Indus Valley civilization. The children used different toys like a whistle, sliding monkey, okay, carts, the wheeled carts, and different other things also used by the children in the society for playing or as part of their recreation activities. And when we see potters, the potters also used the wheels for making pots. So mainly, since they have used the wheels for making pots, the production of pot making improved. Okay, so they have developed in making pots. The skilled technicians were found during the period of Indus Valley civilization. They made different shapes and size. The pots were made in different shapes and size, and the pots were decorated. The outside of the pots were decorated with different kinds of paintings. Okay, during the period of Indus Valley civilization. And the next thing we see about the Indus Valley people were the trade. They had the great trade relationship with different countries like Mesopotamia, Persia and Iraq. Mesopotamia, Persia, Afghanistan, okay, Persia is present Iraq. Okay, so these are the different countries they had the trade contact with. Okay, both inland and foreign trade were made by the people of Indus Valley civilization, and also both land trade and water trade was flourished during the period of Indus Valley civilization. For the land trade, they have mainly used bullock carts. Okay, for the land trade, they have used bullock carts for transporting goods from one place to another. For water trade, they have used the ships and boats. So, by using the ships and boats, the goods were transported from one place to another. When we see these people, the Indus Valley people had the trade contact with different foreign countries. The Indus Valley civilization, the Indus seals were found in Assyria. Okay, in Mesopotamia, the Indus Valley seals were found. Okay, and also the Mesopotamian seals were found in the Indus Valley civilization, which gives us the clear point or clear notes about their trade contact with each other. The Indians, they had the trade contact with Mesopotamians, and the Mesopotamians had the trade contact with the Indians during Indus Valley civilization. So Mesopotamian civilization was the contemporary civilization with the Indus Valley civilization. And apart from that, different other seals also found, which gives us clear history, to know clear history about the Indus Valley civilization. So this trade attitude which developed the income or the wealth of Indus Valley people. Okay, that's why Indus Valley civilization is the richest civilization in the world. Okay, today what all things we have learned about? We have learned about the society, social structure. Okay, what are the different groups found in the Indus Valley civilization? Rulers, merchants, artisans, business people, okay, and manual laborers were found in the Indus Valley civilization. And the next we have seen is food. Okay, wheat was the staple food of the people, and apart from wheat, they have also used different fruits, vegetables, grains. Okay. And also they added milk, egg and meat in their food. So they gave importance for different food items. And the next thing we have seen is their dress and their ornaments. Both men and women wore dress, two pieces of dress were worn. Men wore dhoti and while girls wore skirts, and men, they covered their upper body with a shawl, and they used different ornaments like finger rings, earrings, armlets, okay, bracelets, and also they have women wore the headdress. Okay, they cover their head. And when we see here, the men wore, they used the beard. Okay, and also they comb their hair backward. And when we see women, they tie their hairs tightly, and they have used different hair clips. Okay, and different cosmetic items also used by the people of Indus Valley civilization, and different amusements. What are the different recreative activities used or done by the people of India? They are singing, dancing. They involved in singing and dancing. They have used indoor and outdoor games. Okay, they used board games. They gave importance for the board games. Okay, they used dice for playing board games. And apart from that, what else we have seen? The children used different toys made of both terracotta and dry clay. Okay, what are the different toys they have used? They have used sliding monkey, wheeled carts, and they have used whistles. Okay, they have used different other things for their recreative activities. And occupation, agriculture was the main occupation. They also domesticated animals. They involved in metal work. Okay, artisans were found in the Indus Valley civilization, and different people they involved in making pots. So pottery was the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley civilization. The people also involved in trade activities. Okay, both inland and out foreign trade were made by the people of Indus Valley civilization. They used both land trade and water trade. They used bullock carts, sheep and boat for exporting and importing of goods from one place to another. And the different countries they have trade contact in was Mesopotamia, Persia, Afghanistan. Okay, and Mesopotamian civilization was the contemporary civilization with the Indus Valley civilizations. The seals found in Indus Valley civilizations gives the history of Mesopotamian civilization. Okay, children. Today we end the class here. The remaining we will see in the next class. We will meet again with the same lesson. Thank you, children.